frozen limbs, breath of winter soft and dim, silent branches draped in white, holding stillness in the light. Every leaf is gone to rest, snow has gathered on each crest. All the world is hushed and clear as the heartbeat of the year. This is where the roots renew, quiet strength in icy blue. Every pause becomes a seed, holding all the growth we need. In this calm the soul can hear what it missed throughout the year. Winter skies reveal the way to rise again on warmer days. Frost becomes a gentle shield, guarding what the seasons build. Life turns inward for a while, gathering warmth in subtle style. What seems frozen still or gone holds its promise like the dawn. Deep within the quiet future blossoms wait to be found. This is where the roots renew, quiet strength in icy blue. Every pause becomes a seed, holding all the growth we need. In this calm the soul can hear what it missed throughout the year. Winter skies reveal the way to rise again on warmer days. Stillness shapes the strength to grow again.